Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today you have two questions to solve. A is 3 per x plus 1, which is equal to 9 per x minus 2. Then question number B is solve 4 per 2x, which is equal to square root of 16, then power 2. Then we are going to go through it and look at how to solve those questions. Then here solution. And now this is 3 per x plus 1, which will be equal to 9 per x minus 2. Then this we are going to factorize this 9 to convert it into powers. Then we become 3 per x plus 1, which is equal to 3 power 2 times x minus 2. Then once it have the same basis that question, we have to cancel this 3 and this, and here we remain with x plus 1, which is equal to 2x, then minus 4. Then we are going to solve for x. Then here x minus 2x will be equal to negative 4 minus 1. Then here x minus 2x will become negative x, and here will become negative 5. Then here to find the value of x, we divide the negative on both sides. Then here will become x will be equal to 5. Then for question number B, we have 4 per 2x, which is equal to a square root of 16 per 2. Here we have solution will be equal to 4 power 2x, which is equal to bracket root of 16. Then once here there is 2 inside here the square root, there is 2 also. These 2 will have to cancel with this, and we remain by 4 power 2x, which is equal to 16. And the 16, once we factorize it, will give us 4 power 2. Then this is 4 power 2x, which will be equal to 4 power 2. Then once they have the same basis here, this 4 will cancel with this 4. Then we remain by 2x, which is equal to 2. Then to find the value of x here, we have to divide on both sides by 2. Then here 2x, which is equal to 2, here we divide by 2, and here by 2. Then here we remain by x, which is equal to 2 over 2. Then x here, once we solve, will be equal to 1. Then the value of x here is 1.